Welcome to Community-Based Research Getting Started. I'm Diana Laurillard and I'm working at the UCL Relief Centre on research into using digital technology for new forms of online education.
I'm Eileen Kennedy. I also work at the Relief Centre, researching education and technology.
The main goal of community-based research is to understand how to improve the well-being and prosperity of people in a community.
We think of it as research by, with and for the community. So that's different from academic research or policy research, which is focused usually at a much broader level and uses professional researchers. In community-based research, the professionals may be involved, but most of the researchers are members of the community itself, and they'll be investigating issues and finding solutions that are important locally.
But it's a form of research, so there's a goal describing what we want to find out or what problem we want to solve. There are particular methods for collecting data and for making sure it's unbiased. There are principled ways of analysing and interpreting the data collected. And there are ways of using the results to help the community. Our approach to community-based research is drawn from the citizen science methodology of the Relief Centre. Some forms of citizen science involve people collecting the data who are not professional researchers. They're people helping to research by collecting data from their community as they go about their normal daily lives. One example is people who measure local pollution levels. Another example is counting the number of bird species they see in a day. There are many such examples. And they feed in the data, along with thousands of others, to build up a broad picture for a research project.
And this kind of work can contribute to community-based research as well. But here, the research question begins in the community, not defined by the academic researchers, but by the community members themselves. As we work through the course, we'll be looking at all stages of a community-based research project. To define the research question, to practice the different methods involved, and to think about how the results could make a positive difference to a community.
So you'll be discussing all these points with other participants in the course. And this is where we all learn from each other. We can propose the general principles, but only you can describe how they apply or not to your own context.
Right from the start, we'll be encouraging you to think about the issue or question you want to research in your own community.
So we look forward to joining you in those discussions.